Hi everyone! In this video, we will express a difference of squares in factored form. Factor 16p squared q minus 81q. Before we factor anything, we always look for the greatest common factor. We do that because then it simplifies the problem because it'll make things smaller for us. In this case, nothing goes into both 16 and 81, but both terms do have a q, so I can factor out a q, which leaves us with 16p squared minus 81. Now that I look at it, I can see that the first term and the last term are both perfect squares, and the middle is a subtraction, so it follows a difference of squares. Difference meaning subtract. The pattern for a difference of squares factors as such. Let's go ahead and give us a squared minus b squared. To factor a difference of squares, meaning that our first term is squared and our second term is squared with a subtraction between, this factors into two binomials with the square root of the first and the square root of the second as the first and the second terms of the binomials respectively, and one is addition and one is subtraction, and that's it. Using this pattern on our binomial, we will square root the first term. The square root of 16 is 4, and the square root of p squared is p. So we have our two binomials, and 4p will be the beginning of both of our binomials. Then we take the square root of 81, which is 9, and this goes in the second spot of both of our binomials. Then we fill them in with a plus and a subtraction, and don't forget our greatest common factor out in front, which is q, and using our pattern, we've now factored our difference of squares very quickly, and we're all done.